What's the meaning of crone? Crone. Crone.
Crone. Crone. A crone refers to an old woman who was considered ugly, withered, and witch-like. The term is often used in mythology and folklore to describe a wise woman who possesses magical or supernatural powers. The word has both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context in which it is used. Some cultures consider the crone to be a symbol of wisdom, experience, and resilience, while others view her as a terrifying figure that should be avoided. Overall, the term crone carries a complex and nuanced meaning that reflects the diverse attitudes and beliefs of different societies towards aging and femininity.